Hello, today's topic is SMC Scale Q 3D. Now this function block is very useful when you already have a CNC file but you need to scale it. And today we will show it on a project we did already, part 54, where we showed how to use SMC Smooth B-Spline. So we will execute exactly the same and we will add additionally Scale Q 3D in pre-processing. Again, this is pre-processing function block. Furthermore, we just adjusted buffer size to have a better visualization in our path visu. As in every single project, we will start with creating an instance, call this instance. Also, we will need to use a buffer. Furthermore, every single CNC video that we made, you can find the link in the description below. They are sorted from first one to the last one, just that you can handle it chronologically and you can start from the beginning. Now, let's modify the project and then we will run and execute the movement. Let's log in. Run. Let's load our CNC file. So ellipse 1 CNC, this is the file used for Smooth B-Spline. Of course, before that, we just need to enable our drives and set position to 0. Now, how this works, we will scale it down, for example, to half a size, but the starting point is going to be always the same. So we start from 0, 0. Now, let's execute read NC file, interpreter, then we execute our scale Q 3D. Let's put 0.5 as scaling. And maybe you noticed we haven't changed additionally anything inside our G code. So you don't need to do this for this pre-processing function block. Then we execute Smooth B-Spline, flag, if I recall it was 5. Check velocities, and we execute interpolator. Let's go to path. Here is our ellipse, and now, as you can see, it's going to be a half a size of original CNC file. So this is it, how you use this function block. You can of course scale it up if you want, and that's it for this video. So if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!